Jai Hind Mitro. Now we are going to learn about the motion and the time. So in class 6 you have learned about the types of motion, and you learned that the motion could be along a straight line, it could be a circular, periodic, and can you recall these three types of motion? So I'm going to recall that three type of motion. First is straight line motion, and second is circular motion, and third is periodic motion. So motion is like this, then this is called straight line motion, and motion is like this, like earth rotates around the sun, this is called circular motion. And now the motion like this, like pendulum, this is the called periodic motion. So now let's read these some examples of the motion. So soldiers in the march past. So soldiers is march like this, his hand moves like this, so this is the periodic motion. And bullock cart moving on a straight road, so bullock cart moving on a straight road, on a straight path, so that is the straight motion. And hand of the athlete on the race, so hand of the if you run, then your hand moves like this. So this is the straight periodic motion. And now pedal of the bicycle in the motion. So if you ride a bicycle, then you like this. So this is, you tell me which types of motion it is. Definitely it is a circular motion. And now the motion of the earth around the sun, so motion of the earth around the sun is like this, so this is the circular motion. And the motion of the string, so motion of the strings, even I sometimes I have seen that there was a guy who was rotating like this 360 degrees, so that was circular motion. But here in normal way, basically it is the periodic motion. And motion of the pendulum, you all know motion of the pendulum is periodic motion, because in it is a motion constant of time, because from here, if suppose that here E and here B, so it comes from here to here, here to here, here to here, here to there, so this is called the periodic motion. It is common experiences that the motion of the some object is slow, while that the some others is fast. So slow and fast, we know that the some vehicles moves faster than others. Even some same vehicles may move faster and slower at different times. Make a list of 10 objects moving along a straight line path, and group the motion of these objects as follow, as slow and fast. How you decide which object is moving slow and which one is moving fast. And if vehicles are moving on a road the same direction, you can easily tell which one of them is moving faster than the others. Let us look at the motion of the vehicles moving on a road. So this is the activity, and you don't need to observe this, because I'm going to tell you what is it. So if there is two vehicles A and vehicles B, and they are start from here and it is start from here, so it is going like this and it is also going like this. So then what is the way by which we can find out which is faster, which one of them is faster? So that is the type by which we can find out the which one is faster. Now this is the example, and look, this is the blue car and this is the blue car. So here it is easy to decide whose speed is highest. One who takes shortest time to cover the distance 100 meter has the highest speed, like speed. Now we are going to study speed. So you are probably familiar with the word speed in the example given above, and the higher speed seems to indicate that the given distance has been covered in a shorter time, and or a larger distance covered in a given time. And the most convenient way to find out the find out which of the two are more object is moving faster is to compare to the distance of the distance moved by them in a unit time. Thus, if we know the distance covered by two buses in an hour, and we can tell which one of the faster, and we call the distance covered by the object in a unit time as per speed of the object. When we say that the we call the distance covered by the object times speed of the object. When we say that the car is moving along the speed of 50 km per hour, and it implies that the cover of the distance 50 km per hour. However, a car seldom moves with a constant speed for 1 hour. That is called the constant motion. And constant motion, if we draw a graph for the constant motion, that will be like this or like this. So these are the graph of the constant motion, and by which we can draw a graph. A car seldom moves with a constant velocity for 1 hour. In fact, they starts moving slowly and then picks up a speed. So when we say that car has been speed 50 km per hour, it's usually considered. Okay, thank you so much for that.